Barkman began as a hardware store in 1948 in Steinbach, Manitoba. At the time, my father and his two older brothers just wanted to make ends meet. Very quickly, though, that changed. What started as a way to make a living became something much bigger, a way to inspire and enhance the communities we serve. In the 1950s, serving our community meant creating jobs by making and installing septic tanks and precast concrete steps. This was the start to the concrete innovation Barkman is now known for. In 1975, Barkman became one of the first companies to bring a paver machine to North America. Innovation has always been at the heart of what we do. We know that to meet the shifting needs of the communities we work with, we need to improve constantly. Our landscape products are the foundation of parks, plazas, walkways, and town squares across Canada. While design trends may shift, our commitment to creating innovative, durable products has remained unchanged. As time has gone on, our community has expanded outside our home base of Manitoba. As we have grown, we have continued to be Canadian, family-owned and operated. This has helped us establish ourselves in communities across the country with products that work as hard as we do. We have been serving BC and Alberta and creating a trusting relationship for more than a decade. And now, in 2022, with our new Merritt, BC paver plant, Barkman is even more established to serve all of Western Canada than ever before. This plant will allow us to offer competitively priced products to all our customers. We are today the same as who we were in 1948, family-oriented, Canada-based, and proud to serve the communities we're in.